How Richard Feynman invented quantum computers. Richard Feynman was one of the most famous physicists of the 20th century. He won a Nobel Prize for developing quantum electrodynamics, worked on the Manhattan Project, introduced Feynman diagrams, and invented a reformulation of quantum mechanics, the Feynman path integral method. He's also known to a broader audience for his Feynman lectures on physics and his quasi-autobiography, Surely You're Joking, Mr. Feynman. In the early 1980s, towards the end of his life, he made an observation that influenced physics for the coming decades. He noted that computers struggled to imitate quantum systems. For every particle you add, you double the number of possible states, and therefore the number of variables necessary to describe it. A system of 10 particles needs about 1,000 numbers to describe, but if you just up that to 30, you need more than 1 billion. This is exponential growth, and no matter how good your computer is, just adding a few more particles to the system will completely blow up memory and computation time. And that is why Feynman argued, nature isn't classical, damn it, and if you want to make a simulation of nature, you'd better make it quantum mechanical. And by golly, it's a wonderful problem, because it doesn't look so easy. His idea was more limited than the current scope of quantum computing, but he already identified one of the key applications. Build a quantum system to simulate another quantum system. Today we call this quantum simulation. And quantum simulation can be used to compute the properties of atoms and molecules for chemistry, battery development and material science, superconductors and nuclear physics and plasma. So yeah, he didn't literally invent the first quantum computer, but he was one of the first who came up with the idea. And for that, he will always be counted as one of the fathers of quantum computing. Subscribe for more quantum computing.